Hey, hello everyone. I just finished work. I am going to go do something very exciting today. I'm gonna go skydiving! Finally! So I'm gonna head out. I brought a drink. It's probably really hot by now. And also a sandwich that I got from IGA. So I'm gonna head out and I'll see you in the sky, I guess? I made it in one piece. I'm gonna eat something because I'm starving. So sanitize my hands first. Okay. Let's see if my drink is still cold from this morning. Good, pleasantly cold, pleasantly cold. Hopefully my egg sandwich is okay. I should probably open the window so that we don't die. Okay, there we go. The worse or better? I do not know. Let me eat though.
I forgot to mention that this jump was going to be from 13,500 feet. How fun!
Hello, welcome to Parachute Montreal.
Hello.
Why are you dressed like that? What's going on today?
I'm gonna go jump out of a plane.
Is it a long time you want to do that?
Yes.
How long?
I found out about Parachute Montreal in 2016 and didn't do it until now.
Okay, you pick a very good day. It's blue sky today.
Yep.
Very quiet.
It took a while.
No worries. It's better now than never, you know.
Yep. Exactly.
Perfect. So basically, in 10 minutes we'll go to the plane.
Okay.
There's a 10 minutes ride, and after that, free fall time.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Awesome. I see you in the plane just now. Congratulations. You? How was it?
It was fun.
Really fun.
Yep.
What was the best part?
Jumping out.
Jumping out.
Yeah.
The moment you leave the plane, huh? Are you ready to go again?
And maybe not today.
Not today.
Yeah.
Fine. Thanks for jumping with us, Parachute Montreal, and maybe we'll see you again.
Yep.
Awesome.
Definitely.
Bring your friend next time.
Yes. And everyone! I'm gonna head home now. My hair is not a little nauseous, but overall the jump was fun. I didn't feel nervous. I was on the last plane, so all the people that were on that plane were already like solo jumpers already, so there wasn't anyone nervous, so I wasn't nervous. It was only after we jumped out when the parachute deployed and I had to hold on to the things and the instructor had me control the actual parachute. That's when it was scary because we went from this to this again because we were trying to move along. So I'm heading home now and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
因為我今日講大話。
嚇，你唔係去街咩？
我去咗街，嚟睇下。
去邊啊？
我嗰日街啊。我今日去做咗依個咯。嚇？我今日去做咗依個咯。喺邊度嚟㗎？方林。揸幾耐車啊？45分鐘啫嘛。冇一個人去啊！有意外嗰時候冇人揾到你啊。Too late 啦，去咗啦。唔好話死得啊！你咁講啊，我話咗俾好多人聽啊。你係唔話俾我哋聽啊？係啊，唔話俾你。幾錢啊？200幾。一個人去啊？係啊。有冇還㗎？想試下啊嘛。咁晏都有嘅咩？有，我 last flight 啊。即係點啊？點啊？冇乜點啊？跳樓啊，冇興趣啊。